Suppose we have f of x here. Then which of the following is true about the function f at x equals 0? If we look at answer choices, they're asking if f is increasing or decreasing or have a relative minimum or relative maximum. In order to find out, of course, we have to find the derivative of f. So, f prime of x, that is equal to 6x minus derivative of e to the negative x, that's e to the negative x times the derivative of negative x, which is equal to negative 1, plus derivative of natural log x plus 1, that's 1 over x plus 1 times derivative of x plus 1, which is equal to 1. So that is 6x plus e to the negative x plus 1 over x plus 1. That's our f prime of x. Now, if we substitute 0 for x, then f prime of 0 is equal to 6 times 0, that's 0, plus e to the 0, plus 1 over 0 plus 1. So that's 0 plus 1 plus 1 over 1, that is equal to, which is positive, right? So when x is equal to 0, f prime is positive. That means f is increasing when x is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer must be A.